Step Tagalog. This one, you like this one? Inihaw na baboy. You're sitting down. Inihaw na baboy. You want that one? This one, chicken and pork adobo. You want that one? Beef tapa. Yeah, we're gonna cook. Start
Reading very early,
What is estofado? Estofado. Stewed pork.
Almost 4 months, baby doll.
Stewed pork. Lahat pagkain, nagugutom ka na? Lahat pagkain ka? Longganisa. Oh, this one. These are all breakfast. Tocino. Lechon kawali.
Baby, baby doll yan. Hey.